Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to flash TRC20 TRON on any devices. First of all, let's open our iPhone. So I'll be taking you through how to transfer on iPhone, Android and computer version. As you can see, this is our Trust Wallet. We have 2.3 million on this iPhone Trust Wallet. So let's open the computer Trust Wallet. Okay, so you can see we have $0 here. We have $0 here. So let's open our Android version. Let's open Android version. Okay, let's shift this to the side. Okay, let's shift this. Okay, well, as you can see, we have iPhone, Android, and computer. So let's log in on the Android version. Put our passcode. Okay, as you can see, we have $0 on this Android Trust Wallet. So I'll be teaching you how the process go. So let's start with our Android phone. Search for USDT on TRON. Copy the USDT TRON address. So let's go back to our iPhone and send some amount to it. Click on the coin, copy it. Okay, we have successfully copied our address. So let's paste it. So let's flash $50,000. Let's send out $50,000. Click on next, confirm. And let's input our Trust Wallet passcode. Processing. So let's check our Android. Okay, completed. Okay, as you can see, we just received an indication that we just received an amount. Okay, you can see $50,000 have been credited on the Android version of the Trust Wallet. Okay, so the next step, let's copy our computer. Let's copy our computer address. Click on fund, receive from another wallet. So let's follow the same process. USDT TRON. Copy the address. So let's go back to our iPhone and send. So this time let's send 100,000 USDT worth of coin. Click on next, confirm, and enter our passcode. Okay, so let's check our wallet. Refresh. Okay, voila, you can see 100,000 US dollars have been credited on our wallet. As you can see, it is very simple. You can send to Android, send to iPhone, send to desktop, laptop, MacBook, Windows, any devices. So as you can see, we have $50,000 on the Android version, the $100,000 on the PC version. One thing about this flash is that it goes directly. You don't need to do any settings, and the logo display on both Android and iPhone. You don't need to import any stuff to get a logo. This is a pure direct flash that goes on any devices. So you can use it to send out payment in case you want to credit some people or your client or any user payment. Can just ask for their USDT TRON, then send it to their wallet. It's very, very simple and it's direct. It's fast and it's direct. So if you need this token, I will leave it a link below where you can get the token or how to generate the token. Alright, so do well to like, share and subscribe.